Alrighty traders, George here in time for a look at the week in review. I've got some great stuff to go over, but what I'll do to start out with is I'll give you a quick recap of your subscriber signals that you got just a couple of days ago so you can see how it was originally set up, and then we'll take a look at what's happened. Here's the grid for oil. Basically 44.41s to get long, 43.38s to get short. Target arrays above and below. That's the call here, $300 risk, 2 re-entries per the new setup for the NASDAQ here, 43.6650s to get long with this target array here. Notice that I have a short here for target 1 because if we trade up to 4400 we're going to get short here and come back down this way, target 1 and then target 2. All right, we'll short even lower at 43.28 and 3/4 if we break below this level here, and then looking for 2 targets, 4300 even and 42.80s. We'll look. Alrighty, so you just reviewed the setups that you saw just a couple days ago. Here's the follow through for oil. So on the balance beam here, we got long at 44.41s. It went a bit in favor and then rolled over. So stopped there for 30 ticks. It rotated to the long side again here, setting up through that entry point, and it went to target 1 cleanly there. It reset again and then made a beeline basically all the way up here to target 3. So as you know, I'm tracking this in the most conservative way possible. So those of you that have small accounts with the balance beam can grow your account quicker and see how that tight risk and big target can really pay off for you. That's the prime benefit of trading the balance beam, is to be able to have a tight risk control and still participate in some nice gains here, bigger than what most people would consider possible. So looking to book 42 ticks to target 1 twice there for the single contract trader there. That's going to pick up $540 per contract for these 3 trades here. For those of you that are in multi-contract, you picked up another $1,150 to your target 2 and another $2,160 to your target 3 there. This trade right here is a great example of why the balance beam is so powerful, because of all the trading commitment that this trade is riding on top of. It's very supportive of price moving up further. Even though it's gone up a lot recently, this is well set to continue on, and you obviously saw the call from just a couple days ago. Here's what happened in the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ also set up and played very nicely within the confines of the trade setup. Initially here getting long and going straight to target 1 with some nice overshoot there. That picks up 17 points. There was a short that set up and that was stopped out, and then it rolled to re-enter that short at 43.8350s, and that one basically made a beeline to target 2 here, outside return, and then presses all the way down where it hit the second level entry at 43.28 and 3/4. The trails on those particular trades picked up 5 and 10 points. So we got 17, minus 15, 17, 5, and 10. 4 out of 5 for these trades here, 34 points, $680 per contract in the most conservative way possible. If you're in multi-contract, that brought in another 37.25 points for your second contract there. That's another $745. But for you single contract traders, this is what you're looking at here. We had 8 trades, 6 of them winners here, 2 full stop outs there, $300 losses, $1,220 gain on those trades, and that puts our 2016 tally up to just over $39,000. You can see on our equity curve here that we're starting to pull back up after contracting a little bit sideways after this monster run up here. All built on the exact same visual repetitive signals on the balance beam. There's nothing else that drives these gains. If you want to become a balance beam trader and learn to do what I'm showing you here, or if you want to subscribe to these signals and get them advanced like the ones you just saw for oil and the NASDAQ, use the link at the bottom of the video, and you can be in the elite group of balance beam traders that are able to make these kind of trades happen every week. There's your wrap for another fantastic week, gang. Stay tuned for your updates coming your way early next week.